Gabe, you did a good job cutting the bushes. You did a good job. You want to go back and cut the bushes again?
Yeah.
Let me fix your glasses here. Are you out there working?
Yeah.
Let me see. You cutting bushes?
Yeah.
All right. I like those glasses. Look. See those bushes over there? Go cut those bushes real quick. Show me how you can cut those bushes just like Daddy. Okay? Go work on the bush. Go cut the tree. Go cut that tree.
No, I'm in pictures.
There's no pictures. All right, go cut that tree.